Welcome to the Introduction to Analytics Pro. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of what you can expect from Analytics Pro. Go to the Analytics Pro menu item and make sure you have a subscription. This is the Analytics Pro dashboard, where you can see your data from this week compared to last week. This information is based on all your spaces combined. We'll go into depth into most of these blocks. At the top of the page you can select the time span. When you go over the graph, you'll see the information for that specific moment. Here you can see that there was a spike in views at the end of December. This block shows you the type of viewer that was used, based on the three main categories: augmented reality, 3D viewer and virtual reality. This block shows the most visited spaces and how many times they are visited during the time span. Bookmarks and likes show their respective amounts for all spaces combined. Subscribers shows your channel's progress in connecting with users. You see how many users you acquire each day and your total subscribers. When you click on more details, we'll see an in-depth overview of each space. You can combine the graph to add a specific space. The table below allows you to sort your content based on title page visit, visit duration, likes and bookmarks. Clicking multiple times allows you to sort ascending or descending. Now we'll go into the different viewer types. Here you can see in detail what specific viewers were used to watch your content. The title page visits shown are both the same, because there hasn't been a selection of what viewer to use. Thank you for your time. We hope you've learned a little bit more about Analytics Pro.